Today we are going to discuss one of the most exciting and suspense-filled promos of Pati Brahmachari. The latest preview has completely shocked fans because it shows a moment no one expected to see. Isha arrives in full police uniform and arrests Suraj right in front of everyone. But is this arrest real, or is there a much bigger secret hiding behind this dramatic scene? Let's dive into every detail and explore all the possibilities. The promo opens with a peaceful atmosphere in the neighborhood. Suraj walks confidently toward his motorcycle, looking as though he is about to leave for an important task. He appears calm and completely unaware that his next few moments are about to change everything. As Suraj starts his bike, a police vehicle suddenly arrives and stops nearby. The unexpected arrival immediately catches everyone's attention. People stop whatever they are doing and look toward the vehicle, wondering why the police have come to the neighborhood. A few seconds later, the vehicle's door opens, and Isha steps out wearing her official police uniform. Her confident posture and determined expression instantly make the atmosphere serious. She doesn't look confused or emotional. Instead, she looks focused, as if she has already made an important decision. Suraj notices Isha approaching him, but he cannot understand why she is there. He waits for her to speak, expecting an ordinary conversation. However, what happens next leaves everyone speechless. Without wasting a single moment, Isha walks directly in front of Suraj and blocks his path. She looks into his eyes with complete confidence before taking out a pair of handcuffs. In a firm and fearless voice, she says, "Mr. Sursing, you are under arrest." Those words hit Suraj like lightning. His smile instantly disappears. His face reflects complete disbelief. For a few moments, he cannot even react. He simply stares at Isha, trying to understand whether this is really happening. The silence between them becomes more powerful than any dialogue. Meanwhile, Khushbu Bhabhi, Kavya, and Riya witness everything from a short distance away. Their expressions clearly show fear and confusion. None of them expected such a shocking scene. They begin looking at one another, wondering what could possibly have happened. The entire neighborhood gathers around. Everyone starts whispering, asking the same question. Has Isha finally discovered Suraj's biggest secret? For months, Suraj has lived with a hidden truth. He has protected his secret carefully, making countless sacrifices to ensure that no one learns about his connection with Dada Bhai. Every decision he has made has been influenced by this mystery. But every secret eventually reaches a point where it can no longer remain hidden. This promo strongly suggests that Suraj's carefully guarded truth may finally be coming into the open. However, there is another possibility that cannot be ignored. Could this entire arrest be part of Isha's strategy? As a police officer, Isha understands that criminals rarely reveal the truth willingly. Sometimes the only way to expose someone is to pressure them emotionally. Could she be using this dramatic arrest to force Suraj into confessing everything? If that is her plan, then this could become one of the smartest moves she has ever made. On the other hand, television dramas are well known for misleading viewers through cleverly edited promos. What appears to be a shocking arrest could actually be part of a completely different situation. The makers may simply be creating suspense to keep fans guessing until the episode airs. Another interesting detail is Suraj's reaction. Instead of becoming angry or trying to escape, he remains completely silent. Why? Does he know that the truth can no longer be hidden? Is he protecting someone close to him? Or has he already accepted that this moment was bound to happen sooner or later? His silence raises even more questions than the arrest itself. Meanwhile, Isha's expression also deserves attention. She doesn't appear happy about arresting Suraj. She doesn't look angry either. Instead, her face reflects responsibility, pain, and determination all at once. It seems as though she is struggling to balance her emotions with her duty as a police officer. If she truly loves Suraj, arresting him would be one of the hardest decisions of her life. That emotional conflict could become the highlight of the upcoming episode. At the same time, Suraj's family is terrified. Khushbu Bhabhi fears that the family's reputation may be destroyed forever. Kavya cannot believe that the person everyone trusted could suddenly become the center of such a serious situation. Riya stands frozen, unable to understand whether Suraj is actually guilty or whether he is being trapped by circumstances. Everyone is desperately waiting for Suraj to say something. Will he deny the allegations? Will he finally reveal the complete truth about Dada Bhai? Or will another shocking character enter the scene and completely change the situation? The promo cleverly keeps all these questions unanswered. This is exactly what makes the upcoming episode so exciting. If Suraj's secret is finally exposed, the story is about to enter a completely new phase. Relationships will be tested. Loyalties will change. Trust will be broken. Hidden truths may finally come to light, and several characters could find themselves standing on opposite sides. However, if the arrest turns out to be part of a larger investigation or a carefully planned operation, viewers may witness an even bigger twist than anyone currently expects. Whatever happens next, one thing is absolutely certain. The upcoming episode promises intense emotions, shocking revelations, powerful confrontations, and unexpected twists from beginning to end. Fans are already sharing different theories online. Some believe Isha has finally uncovered Suraj's real identity, while others think this arrest is only a trap designed to expose the real mastermind hiding behind the scenes. Only the upcoming episode will reveal which theory is correct. Until then, the suspense continues to grow, making this one of the most highly anticipated episodes of Pati Brahmachari. What do you think will happen next? Is Suraj really under arrest? Has Isha finally learned the truth? Or is an even bigger surprise waiting for everyone? Share your predictions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest updates on Pati Brahmachari.